Why isn't my copier printing or scanning? Let me give you some tips to help you out. Hi everyone, welcome to AIS Tech Tips. I'm Dr. Copy. Printing and scanning are the basic functions of some copiers. However, it could be frustrating to fix. Keep in mind we go back and forth on copier or multifunction printers. We think of them as one in the same. Let's diagnose this problem. One of the first things to check is to make sure all your cables that came with your printer are connected to the right outlet. If everything is connected, make sure to download the driver on your computer. Instructions should be given right when you put in the disk. Another important thing, if the printer is not printing, is to check if the settings of what you are printing matches the settings on your printer. If you're trying to print out a page, let's say in a cardstock page, you have to match the settings from the print driver and the copy machine. When you change the properties here, you look for the media type, cardstock. The source will be from the MP tray. These settings, they have to be the same in the copier machine. Otherwise, the machine will start beeping and it stops the rest of the printouts. To change the settings for the copier machine to match the settings on the print driver, you have to go here to Paper Selection, go to Paper Settings, on the MP tray, Media Type, and Cardstock. Press OK, OK, and now it says MP tray cardstock. If your computer and printer setting don't match, then your print is going to be in a print queue. If you or other people keep pressing print, that queue is going to keep building and building. To fix that, you are going to have to clear the queue yourself or call your IT professional to clear it for you. Download our free ebooks, The Ins and Outs of Copier Repair. The link will be in the description below. If we help you solve your problem, hit that thumbs up button. Also, leave a comment below of what caused your copier to have problems and how you end up solving it. Feel free to watch any of our other videos to make sure you are prepared when that copier decides to crash at the most inopportune times. Lastly, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. I'm Dr. Copy, and you can worry less with AIS. See you next time.